Hey guys, what's up? A very good afternoon to all of you, and I hope all you guys are having a super amazing Monday going on. And guess what? I am very excited. It is a bright day, it's not raining. That's a good sign that this week is gonna be super amazing for all of us. So give me a quick yes if you're all also having a very good day going on, and we're gonna make the day even more amazing in today's class. So are you all ready? Hi Jyotsna, hi Anshika, hi Vrunda, hi Pavitra, hi Ananya, hi V Vlogs. Hi Avni, hi Neil, hi Vaishnavi, what's up? I was drinking water, yeah. Hi Anjali, hi Fierce Gaming, what's up? Hi Harika. Good. Good to see a lot of energy in the class on the Monday itself. How many of you guys are still in the bed? How many of you guys are still in the bed and waking up and looking at my face on YouTube? How many? No. Acha. Oh, you guys are good. You guys are would have woken up because you guys are hungry. I know. 20 seconds late. I was drinking water. What's up? All right. Hi, Rashmi. Okay. So let us quickly see what we are going to be learning today. You all know this is a boomerang session from the chapter that is light. And this is going to be a live Menti class also, because you guys will be having a Menti 2. And it's a boomerang Menti. So it will be having questions from the entire light ka chapter. So I hope you guys are all ready. Yes. Shout out, please. Good vibes. Okay. Hi, Akanksha. Good. How many of you guys were there in my last class? Like yesterday's class? 12 p.m. class. You guys were there? No, if you guys weren't there, no, go check it out. Go check my class which we had yesterday, where I did discuss about how you can make physics easy. So if you want to know how to make physics easy, how to learn physics easy, make sure that you go ahead and check out the class that we had yesterday at 12 p.m. And it's a good class. Check it out. So instead of going and seeing somebody playing games, check that out. Learn something. It's Monday. Learn something. Okay. A beautiful quote by a not a beautiful person, but yeah, kind of beautiful, but most inspiring person from Elon Musk. Yes. So when something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. So if you think something is very important, if you think that you have to do something, make sure that you do it. Doesn't matter. People will tell no, don't do it. No, keep doing it. Okay, if something is very important, do not stop. Just like Elon Musk. People thought, hey, are you serious? You can make commercial space flights. I don't think so. Right? So, but still he did not give up, and look at where he is right now. Isn't it? Crazy, no? Yes, that is a beautiful quote. Starting this Monday with this quote, I hope all of you are getting motivated. And here is a physics meme. One more little bit of small motivation for all of you. Look at that. Oh my god. Today morning I was seeing this and I was like, what? A person is in the air and this person climbs on that person and flies. I am like, oh my god. The type of Monday motivation you need, no, should be like this. It should be like this, like, forget physics, forget science, forget everything, forget gravity also. That is the level of motivation you guys should have to start this entire week. Let us quickly go forward and let us start the class right away. And I hope all of you are excited. How many of you guys we have here? What is the strength of the class? Attendance. Jaldi attendance. Hit the like button if you guys haven't put, if you guys haven't liked it, like it right now. It's a beautiful class. Come on. Okay, so we have 97 watching, 77 likes. Okay, must be people are lazy to click the like button. It's okay. All right, maybe their mouse is not working. Maybe their finger is not working to hit the like button. It's okay, guys. It will work soon. I pray to God that your fingers work soon and you guys can hit the like button. Okay. Yes, the God's with you. Chalo. So here's my weekly schedule, guys. This week, yes, every Monday is for grade 8 at 1 p.m. That is today. Every Thursday for grade 7 at 4 p.m. Every Saturday for grade 6 at 5. And every Sunday is a fun day, 12 p.m. You know my schedule now, right? You know it, bro. And if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, here's my Instagram handle. It's learn_with_Mohan. You can check out my upcoming classes, upcoming series, and yeah, all of that. Okay, if you have Instagram, you can follow me there. Okay? Cool, guys. Yes, please subscribe. Good. Oh, she's asking for her channel. Yo. You don't have account only, no problem, beta, no problem. You subscribe to Young Wonders. Here also you'll get all the updates. Okay? Let's go. So I hope all of you guys are ready for the class. You guys know this is for grade 8, chapter number 16, and this chapter name is Light. And we have already completed this chapter session by session with the specific topics. And today's class is going to completely be on the entire chapter. It's a one-shot revision. It's a boomerang, one shot, where we're going to understand the entire chapter just like this. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's start. Should we start? Yeah. We of course have a Menti. Don't worry. Menti is always there. Cool. First of all, in this chapter, we learned something very important. What makes things visible? Right? So it's not just the beautiful eyes that we have. It's also the light around us that helps us to see the things around us. Right? So light along with beautiful eyes, it makes things, we are able to see the things all around us. So light is a form of energy which makes things visible. So light enables us to see the things from which it comes or from which it is reflected. Now from which it comes are the objects, and those objects are called luminous objects, like the torch. Where's my torch? It's here. Cute. Okay. Okay. Very good Monday motivation I'm getting. A cute little torch you have here. Now this is also a luminous object because it's giving out its own light. And you also have me. I am not a luminous object, but you're able to see me because light is getting reflected out of me, like from me, right? So this gives us an understanding that in order to see any object around us, it either has to be a luminous object, that is, it should emit its own light, or it can be a non-luminous object, that is, it has to reflect light. Okay, so this is a very, very important question which you might get, right? So when can objects be visible? The object has to either emit light or should reflect light. That is, should be a luminous or non-luminous. Easy as that. Okay, yes. Next one. What happens when light falls on a mirror? Now we're talking about the next topic, that is reflection, right? So when light falls on a mirror, it changes the direction of light. For example, if I am pointing this light there, the light comes, hits the mirror and changes its direction. That's what this phenomenon is called as reflection of light. That's the right answer. Got it? Yes. Now, look at this. When we talk about reflection of light, there are few things that we have to notice. The first thing is the incoming light. If you take a laser light, if you point out, the light going and hitting the mirror is the incoming light, or it's also called as the incident ray. It's called as the incident ray, the light that is going and hitting the mirror. Now, once it hits the mirror, we know that just like a bouncing ball, the light also bounces back, and that light is called as the reflected light. So the ball you're throwing is incident. The ball coming back after bouncing is reflected. Clear? Yes? Next, the angle of incidence is nothing but the angle between the normal. So this normal line, you have here. This normal line is the perpendicular to the mirror. It's perpendicular to the mirror. It forms 90 degrees on the mirror. If you guys can check it out here. Okay? Yes. Now, next one. So angle of incidence is the angle between the incident ray and the normal. So here. Alright. Now, the angle of reflection on the other hand is the angle between the normal and the reflected ray. Simple. And what do you think is the angle between the normal and the mirror? What do you think is the angle between normal and mirror? Quickly tell me, guys. Quickly tell me. The angle between normal and the mirror. It is, definitely. Who's that? 45. 90 degree, because it's perpendicular to the mirror. So it's 90 degree. So now tell me, suppose if the reflected angle or angle of reflection is 30, that is 30 degree, what is the remaining angle? That is between the remaining angle. What is it? If the angle of, right, so this angle between the reflected and the mirror. So if the reflected angle is 30 degree, the angle between reflected and the mirror is how much? 60. 90 minus 30, 60. You got it? So you might get questions like this also. So remember, this is the angle of incidence, this is the angle of reflection, and this is the remaining angle. Clear? Easy. Now, next one. There are a few laws of reflection, and the first law of reflection is very simple. The angle of the incident ray. Okay, where is the first law? This is not the first law. Here it's interchanged. The first law is the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Simple. Suppose, let's say the angle of incidence is 30 degree. The angle of reflection is also 30 degree. Clear? Now I'll ask you a question. Listen carefully, okay? The angle between the reflected ray and the mirror is 30 degree. Find the angle of incidence. The angle between the reflected ray and the mirror is 30 degree. Find the angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. Tell. Sleep. Nicely you sleep. 30 it seems. What is it? Guys, this angle, the reflected ray and the mirror, this angle is what? It is 30 degree. So what is it? Very simple how to solve this. If the angle between the reflected ray and the mirror is 30, so 90 minus 30 we will get 60. That will be the angle of reflection. And we know that the angle of incidence is also equal to angle of reflection. So if angle of angle of reflection is 60, then angle of incidence will also be 60. Understood? That is the first law. Very easy. Okay. Now, what is the second law? But why do we need the second law is the question. Right? When we have the first law, we are able to identify the angle. We are able to identify which is the reflected ray. Fine. But what if it is a 3D figure? If there are so many reflected rays, so many incident rays, how will you find which reflected ray is for which incident ray, or which incident ray is for which reflected ray? For example, an ice cream cone. You can draw multiple lines in the ice cream cone. You know, the cone shaped. So in that case, what do we do? How do we find out which is the reflected ray, which is the normal ray? It will be so confusing for all of us. That is when the second law of reflection comes into picture. That is the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal to the mirror at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Okay? They all lie in the same plane. That is, for example, if you take a sheet of paper, if you insert in any place in the cone, the three lines should fall in the same paper. Getting my point? Yeah. If you insert a paper, the three lines, that is the incidence ray, the normal, and the reflected, should fall on the same paper. That means the same plane. That is the second law of reflection. Okay? First law is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Second is the incident ray, the normal, and the reflected. They all lie in the same plane. Simple. Got it? Now, let's see the characteristics or the properties of image formed by the plane mirror. First, you have to understand that, sir, your network is so bad. My network. Mine is only good. Guys, am I audible and visible properly? Yeah? Yeah, it's all good. Is it all good? Video and audio good? Yeah? Of course. Very properly. Yeah. Of course. Right. Good. It's good, no? So please check your network. go to your router, like if you have the internet router, go tap on it, tap tap tap, it'll start working. Or turn off and turn on. What people are doing, if they are sending satellites to Mars, why can't you guys do it? Turn off, turn on, it'll start working. Yeah, do it. Okay, let's go forward. Characteristics of image formed by the plane mirror. We first have to understand what is an object, what is an image. I hope you guys know it. If I am standing in front of the mirror, I am the object. Whatever you see in the mirror is the image, right? So here, when you go stand in front of a plane mirror, the image that is forming in the mirror, what are its properties? First one, it's always virtual and erect. What does this mean? Virtual means it's imaginary. It looks like real, but it's not real. That is virtual. So always remember, whenever images are formed on the mirror, we call it as virtual images. Whenever images are formed on the screen, then we call it as real images. For example, image formed on the pinhole camera. It's a real image. Alright. Now, next one. It's always upright. Like not ulta. It's always straight. Now, the third one. The size of the image is equal to the size of the object. So if you are nice and fit, you look fit. If you are thin, you look thin. If you are fat, you look fat. Right? If you are tall, you look tall. If you are short, you look short. So it's the same. The size of the image is always equal to the size of the object. Next, the left appears right and the right appears left in a plane mirror. Now that is called as lateral inversion. That happens in the plane mirror. Now the distance of the image behind the mirror is same as the distance of the object from the mirror. I repeat, the distance of the image behind the mirror is same as the distance of the object in front, or the image distance and the object distance is the same. If you are very close, that is also very close. If you're very far, that's also very far. Clear? Simple. Now, what is lateral inversion? I told you. The right appears left and the left appears right. Then what exactly is a periscope now? Alright. So, sir, Telugu? No. Sir, why you are not funny? Because I am trying to teach something. Alright. Let us finish this and go to the funny part later. We'll try to understand something. Alright. Why are you not funny, it seems? I am serious. We are learning physics and we have to be serious. Life is serious, guys. Come on. Right? So, when we learn about this periscope, the periscope has two mirrors. Now, these two mirrors are parallel to each other and they are placed in an angle of 45 degree. You can see like this. Chuck, chuck. They're placed in the angle of 45 degree and check this out. He is watching it, or the light from this object is coming, falling on the first mirror. Then it's bouncing off that mirror, coming to the second, and here it's bouncing and again coming to the observer's eye. So periscope works like this. Okay, you can like watch it from below and see whatever is there on the top. We have seen all this. Kaleidoscope, it's a toy which contains made up of multiple mirrors, basically 3 mirrors inside, forming a triangle. Now, due to multiple mirrors, there are multiple reflections of the light in the kaleidoscope. Okay? Yes. Let's go. Sunlight. The white light consists of 7 colors, namely Vibgyor, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So we all know white light splits into its component colors whenever light passes through a prism. Now this property or this process is called as dispersion. Good. It's called as dispersion. Good. Amazing, guys. Chalo. And look at the human eye. So when we have to talk about the human eye, it's a very, very amazing component of the human body. And in the last class, we tried to understand it even more better. So this, if you guys haven't seen my classes of this chapter, do check it out. Because in that cases, I have explained it detailedly. Now, since this is a boomerang session, it's a one-shot revision. We're just revising what we learned. Okay. So first we talked about what? We talked about the cornea, the outside, the curved part, right? The eyeball is almost spherical in shape. Light enters the eye through the transparent membrane. The first layer the light passes through is the cornea. Now behind the cornea, there is a muscular structure called as the iris. Now this iris is the one which is responsible for the color of the eye. Now in the center of the iris, you have a small opening called as the pupil, and the amount of light entering the pupil is controlled by the iris only. Okay, next. So behind the pupil, we have the eye lens. So it's a convex lens, also a converging lens, and which focuses the image of the object on the retina. The ciliary muscles help the eye lens to focus and to focus the image of the object on the retina. The retina has two nerve cells, which are called rods and cones. The rods are sensitive to bright light and the cones are sensitive to dim light. And all of this data is carried to the brain through the optic nerve. Simple. Right? We have already learned this. Good. Now, yes. So before we start the Menti, guys, I want to tell you something very important. All right. Check this out. Check what's happening. Right? Vedantu's mega scholarship admission test is happening, and when it is happening, it's happening on Wednesday, 8 p.m. And look at the eligibility, right? It's for grades 4 to 13th. The test type is going to be an online objective test. Isn't this so cool? Now you have guaranteed scholarship from minimum 15% to 100%, plus also 100 plus crore scholarship pool. And it's absolutely free. Free registration. All you have to do is go to vmsat.vedantu.com, where you can register for this Vedantu's mega scholarship admission test. VMSAT. All right, don't miss it. It's free, guys. You guys can try it out. Okay, and what will be the grand? What will the grand winners of VMSAT 21 win? They will win. The rank 1 will win Apple iPad 9th Gen. Wow. Kindle for rank 2 to 5. For rank 6 to 10, both AirPods. Then rank 11 to 50, Vedantu bags. The bag is really cool. It's on top of the cupboard. I'll show it later. All right. So check it out, guys. You guys should take this up. Right. And what is the test pattern of VMSAT stage 1 for class 6, 7th and 8th? That's for all of you young wonders. The paper will contain 3 sections: mental aptitude test, math, general science, and general mathematics. Total of 50 questions, maximum mark of 200. All objective type questions with 4 options, only one which is correct, obviously. The maximum time available to attempt the paper is 60 minutes. Okay, there would be different tests for each grade. So for 6th different, for 7th different, for 8th different. So chill out. You guys should, it's free. Registering this, taking up this test is free. Okay, do it. Now, what is the syllabus? You guys know the math, general science and general mathematics. Do it. And how to log in and register for the exam? VMSAT is completely online. You will be able to attempt the test on every Wednesday at 8 p.m. starting from 17th November till 22nd December. It's already going on. So take it up by logging into VMSAT website. It is, you have the link there. It's vmsat.vedantu.com with your Vedantu credentials. That is your VMSAT's login ID and password. Got it? Yes, so keep giving it. Now, let's go. It will be like this, guys. So click on, once you visit the vmsat.vedantu.com, click on the register for free button. Fill in all the required details, your name, right? All of your details. Check if all the details are provided are correct. Click on submit button. Done. So you will be getting a notification. You can take up the test right away. And don't miss out these prizes, If you don't want the prizes, take up the exam and give that to me also. It's fine. I'll take it. Okay. Don't miss out. Try. Okay. Now, let us quickly go to the Menti. Before that, yes, if you also want to take up the courses at Vedantu, you can definitely go. The link is right there in the description. I'll also quickly tell you how you can take up the courses of mine or all the subjects at Vedantu. You just have to go quickly to my video. Yes. So here, if you go, you have the link here. That is, Yes, let's go to CBSE 2021 to 22. Click on this. And here you can choose any of the plan that you would like to take up from Vedantu: Pro Lite, Pro Classic, or Pro Premium. Pro Lite, you'll be having live interactive online classes, test series and analysis, assignments and notes, doubt solving during the class. But if you are somebody who has a lot of doubts even after the class, you can go for Pro Classic, because here you'll be having a doubt solving app. For Pro Premium is for people who want personal mentor for solving all of your doubts, homeworks, assignments, and everything. Now, this is for all the subjects, guys, not just for physics. It's for science, English, mathematics, social, everything. And let's try taking up the course of Pro Lite now. Look at this. Here, since you guys are here in my class, since you guys are all my favorite, you can use my coupon code MKPRO to get additional 10% off from what you'll be paying. And you can take up the entire course for this money. But let's say if you are very new to Vedantu, right? You do not know if it will really work for you. You're very confused about it. You can definitely again try for 15 days. Again, by using my coupon code, you get 10% off. So take it up, learn for 15 days. It will be so amazing. And I'm sure that you will take up the entire course after that. Okay? Yes. Chalo. Now we'll quickly go for the Menti, guys. All right. Menti time. And the code for Menti is 20294987 is the code for Menti. Come on, everybody join in right away, guys. Everybody join in right away. You have the code right here. It is 20294987. Come on, quick. Oh, somebody was telling you look so different from the thumbnail. I'm the same, da. There I have put some gel and all. Now I am it's just free hair. All right. All you guys have to do is go to www.menti.com and use the code 20294987. That's the code. Come on. You said rods are sensitive to bright light, but they are sensitive to dim light. You told ultra of the rods. Huh? Ulta. I told ulta, is it? Oh, I'm really sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. Yes, cones of a bright light and rods of a dim light. Okay? Yes. How many of you guys have joined? Okay, we have 86 people. Not enough. Boomerang can only be caught by serious smart people. Yeah, right. Hi, Alia. Happy birthday, beta. Happy birthday. What's up? Party. How to join? I'm the first time. Kunj. Very simple. You just have to click on the like, then click on the subscribe, then go to www.menti.com and use the code 20294987. That is the code. You're the ma'am laughing cat. Come on, quickly. Oh, there are too many laughing cats. 1, 2. So many laughing cats. Sir, will you teach in courses? Of course I teach. So in Vedantu, I teach physics, chemistry, also biology. All the three. So I teach the complete science. Okay. Can you please change the class timing? Why, beta? I can see good numbers now. Right? Lunchtime. No, it's a good time to take the class. At least then you guys will be having your food and seeing me, no? All right. We'll start. We have 108. Okay, I'm going to wait for a few more seconds. Let's see if anybody else also joins. And then we'll start. You're the cake. Nice. Thank you, Prakriti. Sir, exact after my class. What does that mean? Exact after your school class. Oh. Website is not working. Try beta. I think you have entered the number wrong. Entered the code wrong. Try it again. Close it and open again. Type www.menti.com and then you enter the code 20294987. Okay? All right. We'll start now. Do we have enough likes? Yeah, not enough, but you know, since you guys fingers are not working, I'm praying God that it will work soon. All right, guys. So let's cross 120 and we'll start the quiz. 114 now. 6 more people. We'll start the quiz. Okay, 117, 116. Okay, somebody just came and they saw the quest, they saw and they went off. 118. Okay, 115. Why are you guys leaving? Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? By the way, guys, did you guys all wish Nobita ma'am? Today is her birthday, right? Did you guys wish her? Come on, come on. 117. We need 120 to start the Menti. And likes 150 क्रॉस करना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद हम लोग Menti will start. Come on, come on. 150 likes and 120 people on the Menti. We'll start. Okay, cool. I think 117 it's stuck. Okay, so I'm gonna start the quiz. 119 now. 120 finally. First question on the screen. Let's go, guys. Beam of light striking the reflecting surface is called what? The beam of light striking the reflecting surface is called what? Reflecting ray, incident ray, refracted ray, normal ray. The beam of light striking the reflecting surface. What is it called? What is it called? Give the answers on Menti, not here in the chat. Sir, do you see anime? Noda. Ela undi sir weather. Ee roju baga undi. Okay. It is incident ray. That is the right answer. Guys, a beam of light striking the reflecting surface is called as incident. Okay. D is right. Very good. Normal it seems. Okay, whom do we have on the top? We have Riya Kasturi at the top. Very good, Riya. Then we have Kalyani, Sandhya Aces. Okay. Neha Durga Shri, Queen Swati, your fan Deepa. Hey, I'm your AC. We have Naman Gupta here. Rohil, also known as Light Master. Wow. Shri Dinesh, hi-fi Shri Dinesh and Charvi. Good job, guys. Keep it up. Come on. Next. Ninth but not showing. Why? Next question on the screen in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. What is it? Band of 7 colors is called what? The band of 7 colors. Vibgyor, spectrum, dispersion, reflection. Now this question is going to change the entire leaderboard, you see. This question is going to change the entire leaderboard. Thank you so much, Kushi. Strong feeling it is D. Yeah, I think it's reflection. That's the band of 7 colors. No, I knew it. It is the Vibgyor. All right, guys. Next one. Let's go. Let's go to the next question. Do A guys believe me? What? But wait a minute. Exactly. No, it's a spectrum. The band of 7 colors is called as the spectrum. Let me see if I can change this question. Okay, just a minute. It should be spectrum. All right. I'm sorry, but it is spectrum. Now this is going to be a trick. Just a minute. Let me just change the question. Change the answer. Okay. Yeah. So I think now it is working. Yeah, finally. I learned this. Hey. Good. So the band of 7 colors is called as the spectrum, guys. If they ask us what are the 7 colors in the spectrum, then it is Vibgyor. Okay. Got it? Yeah. Yeah. Cool. Chalo. Next question. Next question on the screen. Before that, yeah, right answers. Riya Kasturi was shocked. She's like, sir, it is spectrum, not Vibgyor. Okay, Riya Kasturi at the top. Naman Gupta, Kalyani, Queen Swati. Have you visited Trichy? Like I have not. On the way, yes, but I have not landed on Trichy. Like I drove past Trichy, but I didn't get down at Trichy. Yeah. So next time, probably if there is a good biryani shop in Trichy, let me know. I might stop and eat and then go. All right. Okay, we have Amarnath, class 5th from Kerala. Your fan Deepa is again here. Jalak Gupta, high five. High five, Jalak. Charvi and Anjali. Good job, everybody. Good job. Next one. Okay, the next question on the screens in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Front bulged part of the eyeball is called what? The front bulged part of the eyeball is called what? Cornea, choroid, pupil, retina. What is it called? Sir, do you have Insta account? Yes. It's called Learn with Mohan. 10 more seconds. Come on. Strong feeling. Oh, I think it is retina. I think it's retina. It is the cornea. The cornea is the front bulge part of the eyeball. The first thing that comes in contact. Very simple. We have cornea, iris, pupil, lens, retina, cones, rods, optic nerve. Simple. Simple. Okay. Riya Kasturi, Queen Swati, Naman Gupta, Archana, Jalak Gupta, Kalyani, Anjali, Sri Dinesh, Hi-Fi, Priyanshi. Is there any fixing? Fixing in VMAT exam. Like what do you mean? Like like IPL fixing? I don't know. There is no fixing, guys. You guys can take up. Ayyo, look at the doubts you guys get. Fixing, it seems. You want to fix it? Come. let's fix the exam. Ayyo. Though there is not. Right? There is not. It's all good. If you really score good, you will definitely get your name on the leaderboard. Okay? Just like Menti. If you score good marks, you get your name here. No, that's like that. See, I don't think Riya Kasturi or Queen Swati, Naman, are they fixing with me? They are not. Okay? It's the same. Ayyo. Next. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, here we go. Fixing, it seems. Your face. The splitting of white light into its 7 constituent colors is called what? The process. Refraction, dispersion, deviation, reflection. Splitting of white light into its component colors. What is it? B for sure. Huh? Are you guys like really sure? Like very sure? Somebody's asking for which class? Class 8 beta. Class 8. Class 8. Vanakkam Harika. It is definitely dispersion. So dispersion is the process of splitting of white light into its component colors, which is Vibgyor. And that band of light is called as spectrum. Okay. Okay, so I think it's the same, no? Leaderboard is not changing. Oh, Naman at the top. Very good, Naman. Then we have Archana, Riya Kasturi, Jalak Gupta, Anjali, Kalyani. Is there any fixing? No. Yes, there is fixing. There is fixing in Menti also. Naman Gupta has given me 5 lakhs for this coming on the leaderboard. Naman, sorry, I had to leak your information. Then we have Sri Dinesh, Charvi, Mridul. Subscribe. No, you subscribe to my channel. Let's go to the next one. Sir, your English spoken is like AKR sir. Is it so? He speaks like me. Yeah, I don't speak like him. He speaks like me. All right. Next, question number 5. You guys are ready? Ready? Why ready, all right, cool. Vidai ennavendral B. Yes. Ayyo, see, if you guys type in some other language, no, the computer G will block you, thinking it's bad, because the computer G doesn't know any other language apart from English. So yeah, I'm sorry if your message is getting deleted or you're getting blocked. Okay. Don't type in other languages. Okay, question number 5 in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Last question, guys. The bouncing back of light with the same medium is called what? The bouncing back of light. Refraction, reflection, dispersion, diffraction, or diffraction. Which one? Come on. Quick. Hi, Sanvi. What's up? Jim Jam went to party. Jimin's Jams went to party by BTS. Okay. His username itself is that only. Oh my god. Misclicked. Very good, Anshika. Keep misclicking. You took 2 seconds for this. Ayyo. It is reflection. Refraction. Bending of light. When light enters a different medium is a refraction. But bouncing back of light in the same medium is called as reflection. Okay. Got it? Final leaderboard. Oh my god. What happened? Archana. Is it Archana or Riya Kasturi? Riya Kasturi at the top. Very good, Riya Kasturi. Then we have Archana, Anjali, Kalyani, Fixing, Sri Dinesh, Queen Swati, some exclamation, hashtag, and something, Ayush, and we have DK, and when we have the last, I'm not able to see. Okay, good job, everybody. You all have done amazingly well, and congratulations to Riya Kasturi. Good job. Guys, by the way, do take up the VMSAT exam. It's for free. And do take it up, and who knows, you might win an Apple iPad. Even if you don't want it, you can give it to me. I'll give you my address. So, but do take up the VMSAT test. All right. So I hope all of you had fun on this wonderful Monday, and we'll be meeting up soon. My next class is on Thursday, no? So we'll meet up on Thursday. We'll have a lot of more fun. And if you guys want to take up the course at Vedantu, you know where the link is. The link is right there in the description. Click on the link, take up the course, and we might meet in our own classes. Take it up right today because the batches are starting. Okay. I'll see you guys all in the coming classes. So until then, this is me, Mohan, signing off. All of you take care, stay safe, and stay as lovely as always you guys are. Bye-bye. Happy Monday.